Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to give you a quick update on cryptocom Crowcoin, take a look at the overall crypto market, and we'll take a little bit of a look at Bitcoin. So without further ado, let's hop in this video. As of right now, Bitcoin is chopping around below 27,000. To be more specific, chopping down below 28,200, which is a very, very key price level for us. We are trading at $26,762.78. Bitcoin dominance staying relatively at the same place it was yesterday at 49.92%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at 51.92%. Very, very close to 52% Bitcoin dominance level. I'm expecting this Bitcoin dominance to increase up to 55, maybe even higher as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. But as of right now, the liquidity is still continuing to move out of the altcoins into Bitcoin. And I really think that this is going to continue to happen as we get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, guys. But let's take a look over the charts. So right now, Bitcoin is getting rejected off of this key level of 28,200 right here. And I expect this chop. I expect this bouncing around here, sideways chop. And I do expect that at some point here, we're going to have a capitulation to the downside. Money's drying up. We're going to need another time capitulation event, something similar to back here. We were trading sideways, volume dries up, and bam, it comes down. A more accurate place to see that would be back here as we had in the 2017 cycle, 2018, sideways chop, the volume dries up, and then bam, comes down. That's why I'm expecting to see something like that happen. Probably not nearly as drastic as those previous moves because there's much more money involved now. The market cap of the cryptocurrency asset is over $1 trillion. So I do think that the moves are a little bit less volatile, but I do still think that we're going to be seeing some sideways chop with a capitulation down to 21,000. Or maybe it doesn't happen before the halving. Maybe we get lots and lots of sideways chop until a little bit after the halving. I'm not leaning into that thesis, but I do think that there's a probability of that happening, considering many people are vacant in the crypto space right now. Many people have left. Many people think that when we get to the Bitcoin halving that we're just off to the races, but usually when everyone thinks one thing, that's usually not what happens. Usually it's the max pain of the opposite of what everybody thinks. So keep that in mind, guys. Over on Crowcoin, we still are trading above 5 cents right now, which is nice to see. But I do want to say that be prepared for this to come back down to earth here. I mean, I haven't said something like that since the bull market, back down to earth, when we usually have a massive parabolic move. But this is as close as we're going to get to a parabolic move in the bear market. But I do think that we'll probably start to find our way back down to this price level. This is a sideways chop zone. And I do expect that to start to make our way back here, chop around between 5 cents and 4.5 cents. I do expect a new low at some point, especially if my thesis is correct on Bitcoin coming down to $21,600. So guys, be very patient. Don't be shaken out if you see a large move to the downside. It will be, in my opinion, one of the last large moves to the downside before we can finally start this Bitcoin hype cycle and finally get back to where we want to be, to make a new all-time highs, to start to get a little bit more excitement in the market. It'll be the last capitulation event in my mind. In my opinion, that's what I believe. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I post regularly throughout the day, every day. I like to have one-on-ones with you guys, ask you guys questions. It's a lot of fun. Also, I do giveaways over there. I'm going to be planning on doing a giveaway next week. Super excited about that. But also, go follow me there. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member each and every month leading up to the Bitcoin halving, guys. Love giving back to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's all I got for you.